is Gian Mario and I am presenting my topic. My topic is all about the conversion of English expression to mathematical sentences. So conversion means, from the word conversion means that it convert the English expression to mathematical sentences. So conversion of English expression to mathematical sentences, it involves translating verbal phrases or sentences into a mathematical symbol. It means that conversion of English expression involves translating the verbal phrases or sentences into a mathematical symbols and expression. So, for example, in addition, we have an example. So, in English expression, we have from the word plus, sum, increase, or increase by. So, this is the example of verbal phrases in addition. So, in subtraction, we have the verbal phrases. So, in subtraction naman, in subtraction, we have the minus. The differences. Decrease or decrease by. So, here are examples of verbal phrases. In addition, we have the plus, sum, increase, decrease by. In subtraction, we have the minus, difference, and decrease by. So now we have to convert the English expression to the mathematical sentences. So, in addition, it simplifies this, So now we have to convert the English expression into a mathematical sentences. So in addition, we have to simplify put a plus to determine the addition mathematical expression, which is in addition we have the plus. So in subtraction, we simplify put a minus, or we simplify put minus the half. So I'll give you an example of English expression to mathematical sentence conversion. So wait for a minute. So example is the sum of a number, and a bar. So means that also we have the English expression now. So first, determine the English sentences to a mathematical sentences. So first, the sum of a number and a 5. So means that a number, which is number or an x. So an x is equivalent to a 1. So the sum of a number and a 5. So a number is it's simplified put an x. Wait. X. So now, it gives a sum, means that in addition, we put an plus to a 5. So now, we have the mathematical sentence now, or the expression. So, the sum of a number and a 5 means that x is equal to a number, the sum is equal to plus sign and a 5. So, here's another example. So what's the number? So it simplifies put a to x. So it determines a number y. So we simplify put a to x. So now we have the example now to the English expression to a mathematical sentences. So now we have to move on in the mathematical sentences to English expression. So now, so mathematical sentence to English expression, same lang naman dito sa English expression and mathematical sentence. Ang naka-difference lang is it involves na naman it involves translating in mathematical sentence to an English expression. So, in mathematical sentence, it involves translating mathematical symbols to indication into a clear verbal process or sentence, which means na pareha lang naman dun sa English expression to the mathematical sentences. So now, let me give you an example of translating the mathematical sentence into a mathematical equation to an English expression. So, here's an example. 5 and 2. So, paano mo yan ma-determine ang English expression galing sa mathematical sentence? So, it's simplified. So, it's simplified. The equation means that in multiplication pala. So if ganito equation ang makikita nyo, in multiplication, it's simplified with the English expression means that E5 times y. Ganyan lang. Here's another example. Ganyan. So, ganito is a mathematical sentence. So, paano mo yan yung math-translate? So, if simplifies, madali lang. It means that if 20 divided by 8, 5. Ganyan lang. So now, here's my recap. In English expression, the mathematical sentence means that ang English expression, i-convert lang natin into a mathematical sentence. While in conversion in mathematical sentence, in English expression, it involves translating mathematical symbols and equations into a clear verbal process of the sentence. So, let me give you a quick 10 examples of the English expression, the mathematical sentence to the mathematical sentence to the English expression. So, here's the example of English expression. number and a 3. In a 4, 4 times a number. 5 a number divided by 2. So now, now the English expression needs to be converted into a mathematical sentence. But how? So here's the answer. So the sum of a number and 5, which means we have to simplify, put an x plus 5. Because, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, a number means an x. X means a 1 number. The sum means the symbol of the addition, which is the plus, and a 5. So, we have the answer of number 1. Number 2. Twice a number. Twice a number means a 2x, which means an x twice. So, we have the answer of number 2, which means twice a number means a 2x. In number 3, the difference between the number and 3. So, now, we have the word difference. Difference means subtraction. So, now, we put a number. Kasi, the difference between a number. So, between means we put a number which is x. Difference means minus and a 3. So now, we have the answer. The difference between a number and 3. So, in mathematical sentence, we put an x, the difference is equal to minus, and a 3 number. So, the answer is x minus 2. Number 4. 4 times a number. Now, example of number 2. 4 times a number. So, it's simplified, put a 4. And a number means an x. No, di pala x na ganun. X lang ginamitin ng variable. Yeah. So, 4 times a number. Tulad ng number 2, twice a number, it's simplified, put an 2x means that ang number which is the x, kailangan lang dalawahin. Tulad ng 14. 4 times. So means, a number, kailangan mo din iapat lang din. So, we put ang 4x. Ganun lang. Number 5. A number divided by 2. So, now, we can see divided. Divided means division. Tama? Tama. So, now, a number na naman, we put an x. Now, in divided, the symbol of divided is ganito. Ganyan. Divided, or ganyan, or etc. etc. So now, ang sinabi dito ay number divided by 2. So, kung mas madaliin, maglagay na lang tayo ng number which is an x. Pagpili tayo sa dalawa, which is ganyan na lang, and we put a 2. Ganyan lang. A number divided by 2. A number divided by 2. Ganyan lang. So, transfer tayo dito sa mathematical sentence to English expression. So, now, katulad ng sinabi ko sa English expression, dito naman tayo sa mathematical sentence to English expression. So, it means that we have to convert the mathematical sentence to an English expression. So, now, here's an example. X plus 5. So, paano natin yan i-convert into an English? So, it determines a number. A number and a sign of addition and a 5. So, paano natin yan gagawin? So, i-determine natin yan. So, ang answer yan is the sum of a number and 5. Ngayon, na the sum of a number and a 5. Because the sum, it means inad niya yung number sa 5. So, the sum of a number. Ang number daw, inad niya sa 5. So, okay na tayo. Move on to number 2. 2x. So, ngayon, sa mathematical sentence, ganito ang lumabas. 2x. So, paano natin yan i-convert into an English expression? Madali lang. 2x, it means ang 2 daw na number, kinonvert siya as a twice. So, means that a twice a number. Ganun lang. Anong tawag nito? Anong pinagkaiba nila? Walang pinagkaiba. Tulad ng sinabi ko dati sa English, dito sa mathematical, we have the 2x. So, ang 2x, kinonvert natin into an English expression, which means ang 2x, which is twice a number, means that ang twice a number, it is equal to 2x. Ganun lang. So, move on to number 3. X, which is a number, minus 3. So, paano natin yan gagawin? So, ito, which is a minus symbol, in English expression, we call it a minus I differences minus decrease by. So, ngayon, paano natin yan gagawin English expression? So now, we call it the difference or difference between a number and the b. So, now, sa mathematical sentence, ang lumabas is x minus 3. So, paano, tinonvert ko lang siya sa English expression into the difference between a number and a range, which means difference which is ang number minus natin sa number of 3. Number 4, 4x. 4x, katulad ng dito sa number 2. Dito sa number 2, tinawag natin ito sa number. Kumbaga, the number is equal to twice. Ay, di pala. Ang number which is ang x, di dalawa. Kumbaga, dalawa sila. Kumbaga, kinonvert as a dalawa. So, katulad ng number 4. 4x. So, it's simplified. 4 times a fucking number. 4 times number. Ito na pinilipid natin. A number for 8 number times 4. So, equals is 4x. In the last example, which is ito. So, as you observe, we have a number and a number of 2. So, ano ito? Yung nasa gitna. We call it the sign or the symbol of division. Bakit? Kasi in division, we have the symbol of ganyan, or etc. So, dito, walang pinagkaiba. Pinili ito. So, dito, it's simplified, pinili itong symbol, which is ganito, nasa gitna nila. So, paano yung ita-translate? Simple lang. A number. We put a number. A number. A number. Ang number is dito. Ito ang ginamit natin na number, which is an x. A number. So, ngayon, determine natin siya ang symbol ito sa sentence, which is divided. Because divided means division. So, we put a divided. Simple. Divided, bakit divided? Kasi may symbol siya dito
between the number of x is equals to 2. So, ganito, a number divided. So, now, we translate the simple math into the English expression. So, now, we put a number na lang. So, kailangan na lang natin i-put ang number sa dito. So, ganun lang. X is divided by 2. So, dito, ito ang mathematical sentence. So, ang mathematical sentence sa number 5 is an x or a number divided by the 2. So, simple as that. Ang English expression is a number divided by. So, sana mayroon yan natutunan sa aming malamitang topic. So, salamat sa fairness.